Good afternoon, this is Sean with Trenchless Pipelining. We are at 1401 Jauna Rd, Boca. We are going to be looking at 32 feet of liner. This is where the liner goes into the 3-inch line. This is a 2-inch line. It comes to the kitchen and the laundry room. This 3-inch line right here is what picks up the bathroom next to the kitchen. Here's the liner. We have one cutout for some bathroom fixtures right here. We're going to keep coming back. This is a 45-degree corner right there. Now we have another cutout coming up. It's going to be the laundry room. Here you go. This is for the laundry room. And then this is the end of the pipe where we're going to reattach to and hook the kitchen back up. Again, this is Sean with Trenchless Pipelining, and we are at 1401 Jauna Rd in Boca Raton, Florida. And that was 32 feet of pipe.